How to play a D major for an absolute beginner. There it is. Seriously, we're doing 4 notes here. It's open D. And then we have an A note here. It's the 3rd string, 2nd fret. The G string. 2nd string, 3rd fret. That's a D note. 1st string, 2nd fret. That is an F sharp. Put these 3 together. One of the pitfalls you might have is if it doesn't sound correct, you might hear this. What's happening is this finger is rolling down and touching the string below it. So you gotta make sure you get right on your fingertips by your fingernails and bring it out. You do that, you're all set. If you wanna know what other chords work perfect with this and what key it works in, check out the pinned comment. I'll give you a free chord to key chart. It's got 12 different keys, all the chords that fit with it. Check it out, absolutely free. Pinned comment in the description. It goes great with the next chord you're about to check out on the screen right now. Click that video and learn the next chord.